Do you open your Christmas gifts on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Or maybe, once in a while, do you open one even earlier? Well, stick around because I'm going to get into one of mine right now. A few months ago, my car broke down, and I thought it was going to be a really horrible thing. It was a car that had just given me headache after headache, and it turned out to be a blessing in disguise. And we'll put a link to that video right here. Well, that car is still giving me presents. It's given me this present right here. We took that old blue Honda to a mechanic with the intention of having it fixed and then turning around and trying to sell it, maybe recouping just a little bit of money out of it. Well, the mechanic offered to buy it from us before we had anything fixed. And he paid enough for it that Chris was able to get me a Christmas present. This is something I've been wanting for a while. We've been doing research to make sure we get the best one for us. So before I open it up any further, I want you to pause the video right now and make a guess down below in the comments. What do you think is in this box? There's some clues. You know it came from Amazon. It comes with a battery. So what do you think it is? Did you make your guess? All right then, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Are you ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. I am so excited. Yay, yay, yay. I almost pulled out the little thing first. I won't do that to you. I got a new camera. I am so excited for this for many reasons. One being that this summer, I was actually thinking about not doing YouTube anymore, and we can put a link to that video too. And then I decided to keep doing video, and one of my commitments was to get better at it, better quality, better content. And this camera's gonna help me do that. I'm so excited. And we were able to get it with the money from the car. And I think that's enough. Let's open it up, shall we? This is a Canon EOS M50. There are many tech reviews on this camera on YouTube already, so I'm not gonna do that. My channel is a homestead channel. I'm not a tech review channel. If you came here for a tech review, you're gonna look elsewhere for that. But I am gonna talk just briefly about why this is the camera that we chose and why it's gonna work for us for our small channel. Manual, a thick manual. We'll read that later. I'll probably watch YouTube videos first though, some tutorials. Here's the camera body. Okay, next we have this cylindrical object. I'm gonna just assume this is the kit lens that comes with the camera. This is the camera lens, also lightweight. And lastly, the charger for the camera. And here's the battery. Okay, I know this is going to need the battery to work, so the first thing I'm gonna do is put the battery in. The battery slides in, the little gray latch keeps it in place, and then you close the door. You're set. The next thing you do to put on the lens is remove the cap from the camera body. Remove the cap from the back of the lens. You'll see a white dot just above where the lens goes on the camera body, and a white dot on the edge of the lens. You're gonna line up the white dots. And then you're gonna turn to the right until it clicks into place. To remove the lens cover, you squeeze together these two little thumb holes, and the lens is ready to go. To turn on the lens or to adjust it, there's a lever right here, a release. You pull the release and then you turn it until you're in the numbers. This is the 15 to 45 kit lens. One of the reasons that we chose this camera was for its compact size and lightweight. This will make it easier to carry around from location to location and to do vlog style videos. The second reason that we chose this camera over others is for its awesome dual pixel autofocus, which means you can tell it to focus on your eye or your face, and when you move it will track it and that will stay in focus. The third reason that we chose this camera is for the fully articulating screen. You can bring it out to the side and turn it around, which is great for vlog style shooting. With some models, it either doesn't flip all the way around, so you can't really see it from the front, or it flips up, and then if you have a microphone, then the microphone is blocking the view of the screen, so you can't really see what's in the shot. Let's turn it on, see how it looks. There's Chris. Do you see yourself?
I do see myself.
I see myself. Hi. So I'm really excited to see what kind of videos I can make with this and to learn all the ins and outs of it. It's a lovely little camera. I'm really excited. What questions do you have? If you have some more technical questions, if we know the answer, we'll try to answer them for you, so put them in the comments down below. If we don't know the answer, we might put a link to a video. Chris has watched lots and lots of videos, and we might be able to direct you to someone who does have the answer if we don't. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching, and
excuse me, I know what they're thinking. Why is there something still in the box on an unboxing?
Oh, in case you thought I forgot, you were right. I got so excited about the camera, I forgot there was something else in the box to show you. So here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Woohoo! I got a microphone to go with it. Not only will I have better video, I will have better sound. This is the Movo mic. The model is the VXR10. We chose this over the Rode mic, which is a very popular mic for vloggers, for two reasons. One is the price. This costs quite a bit less than the Rode mics do. And after watching several videos, I actually believe that this has better quality. It takes out some of the tinny sound in the audio quality, and I kind of feel like when I get really excited, especially, or when I try to get louder for video, that my voice gets kind of squeaky and I don't like it. So maybe this will help with that a little bit. I don't know. You be the judge. You let me know. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. This is everything it comes with. 2 sets of wire. This one will work if you want to use this microphone with your phone. I almost said telephone. With your cell phone. This wire is the one that hooks it up to the camera. And the way that you can tell the difference, the one that is going to the phone audio jack has 4 sections, 3 black lines. The camera one has 3 sections, 2 black lines. This is the mount for the microphone. It's got a cold shoe on it. It slides right in here to the hot shoe on the camera. Like that. Now I do want to show you one other little nifty thing. If you wanted to mount this to something else, such as a tripod, it has a little place where you can screw it on right there. The next thing that we have is the carrying case. So you can keep it all together and hopefully not lose it. You might remember I had a little lapel mic last year that I used with my phone quite a bit. We called it the Russian mouse because when I checked it out, it had one of these dead cats on it, and it was a little tiny, and I did a little Russian mouse hat dance. So Leslie says we're moving up. We're upgrading from the Russian mouse to the Russian rat. So let's just pull the microphone out of the dead cat so we can see what it looks like. It's just a couple inches long. Has the name on it there. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to slide it right back in here, hopefully, without any problems. Yep. Okay. And that just slips into the mount right here. Now I'm going to screw the cold shoe down so that it's on there nice and snug and doesn't slide off. There's a door on the side that says mic. You simply move that out of the way, plug it in like so. Here it is, my new camera and microphone. I'm really excited to get started using this. Did you guys guess what it was that I was getting as my early Christmas present? If you want to see this equipment and check out the tech specs or any of the other equipment that we use on our channel, tripods, other microphones, stuff like that, you can check it out down there. Also in our Amazon store are the farm shirts that I wear. So if you like any of the shirts that I'm wearing in my videos, you can check out the list of Lorella's shirts. And we will always have the link to that store down below in the description. That's the lens, right? This is the body. This is the battery.
What kind of unboxing do you put things back in the box?
We'll just edit that part out. Should I start with the battery or start with the camera body?
Oh, start with whatever you pull out first and say, I think this might be, and then unwrap it and see what it is.
All right.
Have you ever not watched an unboxing video?
I have not.
You're behind the curve.
I
Behind
am.
the curve.
I
Totally.
am. That's because I'm a homesteading channel. I watch homesteading videos.